Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and fine. Okay, in the last class we have studied about the how to find out the perimeter of the given geometrical figure, right? Do you remember? Okay, if you forgot any points, you can get the link in my description box. Okay, so in this class we are going to study how to find out the area of a simple shapes. Okay children, so can you see these two objects here? This is a table and this is the book. Okay, so children, just observe these both objects and tell me which is the biggest one and which is the smallest one. Yes, this is a table and this is a book. Tell me which is the biggest one, which is the smallest one here? Yes, table is the biggest one and book is the smallest one, right? So what is the reason for your answer now? Now just you answered me that table is the biggest one and the book is the smallest one. So what is the reason for your answer? Yes, so the table, the first one, this figure, it occupied more space as compared to the book, right? And this book, it occupied the less space as compared to the table. Understood? So what is the meaning of area? So the space or the region bound by a given closed figure is called its area. Understood? General area is expressed in square unit. Whenever we find the area of any given object or any shape, we will be considered in the terms of square unit. Which are those units now? The first one is the square centimeters. Okay, so next one square meters, square kilometers. When to use the square centimeters? If the measurement is in the centimeters, then the unit of area is square centimeters. Okay, when to use the square meters? If the measurement is in the meters, then the unit of area is square meters. Okay, when to use the square kilometers? If the measurement is in kilometers, then the unit of area is square kilometer. Understood children? Okay, next one, cm square. Can you see this one? Cm square or SQCM. How to read this one? Cm square or SQCM will be read as a square centimeter. Okay, that is square centimeter. Understood? Unit of area. We are having two methods to find out the area. Okay, the first one is by dividing a region into unit squares and thereafter counting the unit squares. Okay, here we will use the graph sheet or the graph paper. Here you can see. Yes, so I have taken one full graph sheet and I have cut it into a small pieces. Okay, afterwards we will get the small piece like this. So the second one is by using the formula. Okay, in this lesson we will see how to find out the area by using the first method. Okay, so let's take one example here. Children, can you see here? This is the first figure and this is the second figure. Is it visible to you? Okay, now observe these two figures on this graph sheet and tell me which is the bigger one and which is the smallest one. Yes? Can you tell me? Okay. Okay, tell me how many squares is there in the first figure? One square. Can you see this one? This is a square, right? This is the first square. This is second square. This is third square. And this is the fourth square, right? How many squares are there here? There are, yes, 4 squares, right? There are 4 squares, right? So in the second figure, this is about the first figure. What about the second figure? 1, Can you see this one? This is the first box. This is the second box. This is the third box. Fourth box. Fifth. And this is the sixth box. Right? So how many small squares are there in this figure? There are, yes, there are 6 squares. Right? So here the area, the first one, area of given shape is, how much it is? It is 4, right? 4. Okay, so here can you see this on this box? Each box is these first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, whichever it will be. So each box will be considered as a square centimeter. Okay, each box will be considered as a one square centimeter. So 4 square centimeter. This is a unit. Okay, square centimeter is a unit, right? So 4 square centimeter. Now come to the second figure. There are 6 squares in the second figure, right? So area of given shape is 6. Yes, tell me what is the unit here? 6. Yes, square centimeter. Understood, children? How to find out the area of the given shape? Okay, let's take some other examples. Okay, first example. Find the area of the given shape. Okay, we have to find out the area of the given shape. Already we are having the shape here, right? So, how many squares are there here? Now count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So, totally there are how many? 7 squares, right? So, therefore, area of given shape is equal to how much? 7 square centimeter. Understood, children? How to find out the area of the given shape? Okay, let's move to the exercise. First one here, on the graph sheet given, the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. As we know that the each square will be considered as a 1 square centimeter in the graph sheet. Okay, so find the area of the given shapes. Here are some shapes. So you have to find out the area of the given shapes. Okay, let's do the first one here. How many? Now, how to count the squares here? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many squares are there in this figure? Yes, there are how many? Yes, 5 squares, right? So, therefore, area of given figure is equal to 5 square centimeter. Understood, children? Okay, now come to the second one. This is a homework for you. Okay, try to do this one. Next, here are the 2 more shapes which is drawn on the graph sheet. You all have to take a graph sheet and make into small pieces. Okay, and draw the same figures in that graph sheet and try to find out the area of the given shapes here. Okay, children?